Fort Jefferson is approximately 68 miles away from Key West on the dry Tortuga Island. We drove down to Key West to get a reservation to go out to Fort Jefferson. They informed us that they didn't have one until Friday. And we said, that's okay, we'll take it. Meanwhile, they got a telephone call from somebody that said they would like a Friday one, and they already had a reservation for a Thursday one, and they would like to trade. So we were able to trade, and we got to go to Fort Jefferson the next day. For those of you who are not aware, the Fort Jefferson facility was used to house prisoners for the war. And in this particular prison, they housed Dr. Samuel Mudd. Now, for those of you who don't know, Dr. Mudd was the doctor that set John Wilkes Booth's foot after he shot President Lincoln. Dr. Booth was a medical doctor, and during his time at Fort Jefferson, they had a yellow fever outbreak. And a lot of the prisoners and also the doctors at the facility died. And Dr. Booth took over taking care of patients. Because of him putting himself at risk and helping them, he was given a pardon and left the fort in good standing. There are several different ways you can get to Fort Jefferson. One of them is by the National Park Ferry. The other one is by seaplane. And the other way is to use your own boat.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.